Samsung has recently announced Galaxy Watch 4 and it has made quite a splash. Those who got the early hands-on time with the Watch 4 are already touting it as the best smartwatch for Android smartphones and even more so for Samsung ones. If you already own one of the previous Galaxy watches, it's time to ask the question whether you should upgrade to the latest offering from Samsung. So in this video, I will talk about 5 reasons why you should upgrade to Galaxy Watch 4 from any of the previous Samsung Galaxy watches. Starting off, the most important reason to upgrade to the new Galaxy Watch 4 is simply the new software that it carries. With Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung has entered the Wear OS world, and it has done so on its own terms. Meaning, Samsung and Google worked together to deliver perhaps the best Wear OS version we have seen since its inception. And with that, Samsung has also solved one of the major problems plaguing its Galaxy Watch platform, the lack of apps. With Wear OS, the entire Play Store library of apps is now open to the Galaxy Watch 4. There are several major apps that are already available for Wear OS that Galaxy Watch 4 users can now enjoy. And with Samsung on board, it will only provide the additional incentive for more developers to develop apps for Wear OS. But for now, the situation is already much better. Among others, Google apps like YouTube Music and Maps are already here. And Google Maps will be even more worthwhile now that there is a compass on board Galaxy Watch 4. The new software also brings the much needed synchronization between the phone and the watch. If you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on the watch, it will be synced with your phone. Same is the case with blocked callers and world clock times. Another very interesting feature is that when you download an app on your phone, and if there is a companion watch app of that app, it will automatically be downloaded to your watch. This provides and improves the seamless connectivity that is required between a watch and a phone for a flawless experience. Despite the new software on Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung has kept a very similar One UI experience that you will find on previous Galaxy watches. Perhaps not to alienate the long-time Galaxy Watch users, and also because the One UI is much more intuitive than the bare bones Wear OS that we find on other smartwatches. Another major reason is the new processor. Last 3 Galaxy watches all used the same Exynos 9110 dual-core processor with the 10nm architecture. But with Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung has used an all-new 5nm W920 processor. And with the new processor comes the better performance and seriously a much-needed one. The new chip is 1.25 times faster in terms of CPU performance and 10x faster for GPU performance as compared to the previous one. And frankly, previous processor was already showing its age on my Galaxy Watch 3. It regularly lagged and stuttered, and animations were slow as well. And with lots of apps and watch faces downloaded, it even hung a few times. So this was a much needed improvement and surely is one of the reasons to upgrade. If you use Galaxy Watch to track your health, then this is a no-brainer as well. Galaxy Watch 4 is the most advanced when it comes to the health and fitness tracking. It has everything that you expect from a smartwatch today. There is an SpO2 sensor, continuous heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, ECG and blood pressure monitoring in select countries though, and a brand new bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor for tracking body composition. While ECG and BV monitoring is restricted by countries and only compatible with Samsung phones, bioelectrical impedance analysis is available for every Android user. Sleep detection has also earned an improvement with snoring detection and continuous blood oxygen monitoring to provide advanced sleep scores and insights. Snoring detection works in tandem with your phone while you're wearing the watch while you sleep. Your phone will pick up on your snoring noise and sync up the data in Samsung Health app. Many of the health and fitness features that you have come to expect from Samsung watches are already present. There is support for tracking 95 workouts, auto workout detection and fall detection. And then there is the new and improved display on Galaxy Watch 4. Both Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic comes with 1.4 inch and 1.2 inch display sizes. Both have AMOLED displays just like previous Galaxy watches. But this time there is one major improvement, and that is the display resolution. Where previous Galaxy watches had the display resolution of 360 by 360, Galaxy Watch 4 comes with 450 by 450 resolution. Now that is a massive improvement in display resolution, making it more crisp and vibrant. And this also affects how everything pops out on screen, and together with the newer processor makes the whole experience a worthwhile improvement over its predecessors. Early hands-on reviews are already talking about the difference this has made when using the Galaxy Watch 4. And finally, the last reason to get on the Galaxy Watch 4 bandwagon is the more RAM and storage as compared to the previous models. There is 1.5 GB of RAM as compared to 1 GB on Galaxy Watch 3 and double the internal storage as compared to 8 GB on Galaxy Watch 3. This considerably improves the day-to-day use of the watch with smoother and quicker transitions and seamless switching between the apps. And with more storage, you can download more apps, more watch faces, and keep more music on your watch to listen on the go. All of this comes together to elevate the overall experience of using the Galaxy Watch 4, and those with previous Galaxy watches will be the ones to feel feel it the most. So hopefully this video answers a lot of your questions if you're sitting on the fence about upgrading to Galaxy Watch 4. Let me know in the comments whether you will be upgrading or not and why. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.